What if I told you the secret to life is hidden in something smaller than a grain of dust? It's true. Inside every living thing, there's a whole universe of tiny parts, all working together. This is where the magic of life truly begins. It's a world invisible to our naked eyes, but it holds the answers to the biggest questions about who we are and how life itself works. This journey starts at the smallest scale imaginable. Imagine looking closer, much closer, smaller than a hair, tinier than a speck. You would find cells, billions of them. Each cell is a bustling city of activity, full of intricate machinery, all precisely designed. These are the fundamental units of life. They carry out all the processes that keep us alive. From breathing to thinking, cells are responsible. It's a microscopic ballet, happening constantly, a silent, powerful force within us all. Our quest is to explore this hidden realm, to understand the principles that govern it. We will journey into the heart of the cell. We will uncover the molecules that make life possible. This is the domain of life sciences, and more specifically, molecular biology. These fields are like our spaceships, taking us to worlds unseen yet so vital. Prepare to be amazed by the complexity and the elegance of life's inner workings. Life sciences open a window to this world. They show us the intricate dance of molecules. They reveal the blueprints that define each organism, from the simplest bacterium to the giant blue whale. Join me as we unveil this incredible science, the science of life itself. Life sciences. What does that grand term mean? It's the study of all living organisms, everything that breathes, grows, and reproduces. Think about the sheer diversity of life on Earth. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life is everywhere in countless forms. Life sciences try to understand it all. It's a vast and fascinating field of inquiry, a quest to know our fellow inhabitants and indeed to understand ourselves. This enormous field is made of many branches. Each branch looks at a different part of life's kingdom. Biology is the big umbrella, studying all life. Then there's zoology, the science of animals. Imagine studying lions on the savannah or the strange creatures in the dark sea. Zoologists explore their behaviors, their bodies, and how they adapt and survive in their worlds. Next we have botany, the science of plants. Plants are essential for life on our planet. They produce the oxygen we breathe and form the base of most food chains. Botanists study everything from towering redwood trees to the most delicate and tiny flowers. They learn how plants grow, reproduce, and interact with their environment. Plants are silent yet powerful architects of our world. And let's not forget microbiology, the study of microorganisms. Living things too small to see without a microscope, like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Some can cause diseases, but many are incredibly beneficial, even essential. They help digest our food, make medicines, and recycle nutrients in the environment. Biotechnology is another exciting branch. It uses living systems to create useful products like new medicines or more resilient crops. Life sciences encompass all these fields, each contributing to our understanding of life. Now let's zoom in even further, beyond what our eyes can perceive, even beyond the individual cell. We are entering the realm of molecular biology. This is where life's secrets are truly kept. It's the science of the molecules of life, the very building blocks that make us who we are. Think of it as looking at the smallest gears in the great machine of life. This field is relatively new, but so powerful. Molecular biology focuses on the big three: DNA, RNA, and proteins. These are the stars of the molecular show. They are large molecules called macromolecules. Each one has a unique structure and a vital role. They interact with each other in complex ways. This intricate dance is what makes life possible. Understanding these molecules is like finding the key to unlocking life's fundamental processes. It's about the chemistry of life itself. Imagine these molecules as tiny, specialized workers. Each one knows its job perfectly. DNA holds the master plan, the complete instructions. RNA acts as a messenger, carrying copies of these instructions. Proteins are the laborers, building structures and acting as enzymes, speeding up reactions. They carry signals and much, much more. It's a beautifully coordinated system inside every cell, a symphony of molecular interactions happening billions of times per second. Understanding this molecular dance is crucial. It helps us comprehend how organisms develop, function, and pass their traits to the next generation. Molecular biology is not just about knowing, it's about finding ways to heal and improve life. Let's talk about DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It's the most famous molecule in biology. DNA is like the ultimate instruction manual. It contains all the information needed to build an organism. Every living thing has DNA, from bacteria to you. It's the hereditary material passed down through generations. RNA is like a skilled copyist or a messenger. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell. The resulting protein folds into a unique shape, allowing it to do its specific job. Section 5. Architects of discovery, pioneers like Watson and Crick. Science is a human endeavor driven by curiosity and a desire to know. Throughout history, brilliant minds have sought answers, making breakthroughs that shaped our understanding of the world. Molecular biology has its own heroes, scientists whose work changed everything. They revealed the very structure of life's code. Two names often come to mind: James Watson and Francis Crick. In 1953, they proposed the double helix structure of DNA. This was a monumental achievement. It provided a physical model for how DNA could store information and how it could be copied so precisely. Their model explained so much about heredity and opened up a new era of biological research. But science is rarely a solo act. Watson and Crick built upon the work of others. Rosalind Franklin, a brilliant X-ray crystallographer, produced incredibly clear images of DNA. Her famous Photo 51 was a crucial piece of evidence, strongly suggesting DNA had a helical structure. Maurice Wilkins, her colleague, also played a key role. The discovery of DNA structure was a watershed moment, like finding the Rosetta Stone for biology. It allowed scientists to finally understand how genetic information is stored and transmitted. This breakthrough unleashed a torrent of new research, leading to genetic engineering and our ability to read and manipulate DNA. Section 6. Science in Action: Molecular Biology Transforming Our World. Molecular biology isn't just confined to laboratories. Its discoveries transform medicine, agriculture, and justice. Understanding DNA, RNA, and proteins gives us powerful tools. This science shapes our present and future. Consider mRNA vaccines, crucial during the COVID-19 pandemic. They work using molecular biology principles. CRISPR gene editing is like molecular scissors for DNA. DNA fingerprinting revolutionizes crime-solving. Genetically modified crops help feed a growing global population. Section 7. Careers on the cutting edge, shaping the future of biology. The world of life sciences and molecular biology is booming. It's a field filled with excitement and discovery, and it offers a wide range of career opportunities for those with curious minds and a passion for science. If you are fascinated by the intricate workings of life, there could be a rewarding path for you here. You could be part of the next wave of innovation, helping to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from fighting disease to protecting our planet. The possibilities are truly expanding. One important area is genetics. Geneticists study genes, heredity, and genetic variation. They might work in research labs trying to understand the genetic basis of diseases. Or they might be genetic counselors, helping individuals and families understand genetic risks and make informed decisions about their health. The mapping of the human genome has opened up vast new avenues for genetic research and for developing personalized treatments. Bioinformatics is another rapidly growing field. It combines biology with computer science and information technology. Modern biology generates enormous amounts of data. Think of sequencing entire genomes or studying thousands of proteins. Bioinformaticians develop tools and software to collect, analyze, and interpret this biological data. They are like code breakers for the language of life, helping to find patterns and make sense of the complexity. This field is essential for modern drug discovery and for understanding complex biological systems. Many scientists also find careers in the pharmaceutical industry. They work to discover and develop new medicines. The future holds even more promise, with personalized medicine and curing genetic diseases that were once untreatable. Section 8. The Next Frontier: Your Role in Life's Grand Story. We've journeyed from the vast idea of life to the incredibly small, the molecules within our cells. We've seen how DNA holds the blueprint, how RNA carries the messages, and how proteins do the work. We've met some of the pioneers who unveiled these secrets and explored how this knowledge is changing our world. From new vaccines to powerful gene editing tools, the magic inside every cell is truly astounding. A universe of complexity, elegance, and potential. Life sciences and molecular biology are more than just subjects. They are powerful lenses through which we view existence. They help us understand our connection to all living things. They provide us with tools to improve human health and to build a more sustainable relationship with our planet. The study of life is a study of ourselves and our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. It's a story of constant discovery, a story that is still being written with new chapters unfolding every day. The quest for knowledge never ends. There are still so many mysteries to unravel, so many diseases to conquer, so many ways to improve the quality of life. The challenges are great, but so is our capacity for curiosity, ingenuity, and collaboration. The next generation of scientists, thinkers and innovators will build upon the foundations laid before them. They will ask new questions, develop new tools, and push the boundaries of what we thought possible. So, what about you? Do you feel that spark of curiosity, that desire to understand the deepest secrets of life? Do you want to be part of the next big breakthrough? The future of biology is not just for scientists in labs, it's for anyone who is willing to learn, to question, and to dream of a better future. The universe within each cell awaits your exploration. Will you join the quest to unveil its wonders? Life's grand story continues, and you can be a part of it.